Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mom's Magic Meals. Today we are going to cook Szechuan marbles. So let's see what ingredients do we need. 2 tablespoons Szechuan sauce, 2 tablespoons red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 1.5 tablespoon corn flour, 7 tablespoon maida, 1 cup processed grated cheese, finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 cup cold milk, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 finely chopped green capsicum, 1 finely chopped green chili, 1 cup boiled sweet corn, and salt to taste. Add the cold milk in a pan and then add the maida and mix it well. But do not on the flame. Mix it properly so that no lump should remain. Add a little water if required and mix it well. Now on the flame, and stir it continuously on a slow flame. Now add the grated processed cheese and mix it well. Now add the finely chopped green chilies, salt to taste, and a pinch of sugar. And mix it well. Stir it continuously so that it does not stick. Now add the boiled sweet corn and mix it well. Stir it continuously till it leaves the wall of the pan and becomes into a thick dough. Here a thick dough is ready now. After the dough is ready, remove it in a bowl. Now grease your hands with oil and take a small portion and roll it into a small ball. Similarly, make small balls from the remaining dough and keep it aside. Now heat oil in a kadai. After the oil heats up, slide the corn balls one by one into the kadai and fry them on a medium flame. Add 4 to 5 balls at a time. Flip them upside down. Fry them till they turn golden brown. After they turn golden brown, remove them in a plate covered with tissue paper. Now heat 1.5 tablespoon oil in a wok. After the oil heats up, add the finely chopped green capsicum and saute it well. Do not overcook them. They should remain a little crunchy. Then add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. It's completely optional. If you want, you can add it or avoid it. Mix it well. Now add the red chili sauce, tomato ketchup, Szechuan sauce, and mix it properly. Now add salt to taste, sugar, and finely chopped coriander leaves. And mix it well. Stir it for a minute. Now add a little water in the corn flour and mix it well. No lumps should remain. Now add this slurry and mix it well. Stir it continuously. Add a little water if required and mix it well. Now add the cheese corn balls and mix it well in the Szechuan gravy. Here the Szechuan marbles are ready. Top it with grated cheese and finely chopped coriander leaves. Friends, if you have enjoyed cooking with me, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Mom's Magic Meals.